Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be telling about 3 GitHub repositories by using which you can learn Python. Alright, before we get started, please make sure to press like, share, and subscribe so that this video can reach more and more number of people. And also, you get updated with more of my upcoming videos. Alright, so the first video is Awesome Python by Vinta. It has about 118k stars on GitHub, so you might have heard about it. So let's see what it has in store for us. It says that it's a curated list of awesome Python frameworks, libraries, software, and resources. You can see here clearly that you have authentication, audio, build tools, cryptography, data analysis, data validation, DevOps tools, deep learning, HTML manipulation, HTTP clients, image processing is there. As you scroll down further, they have resources, they have algorithms and design patterns, they have asynchronous programming, they have audio. So you can definitely check this and let me know your views on this. I think it's a pretty amazing and interesting resource. Definitely worth checking out for me personally. All right. So the second one is coding problems by Traj. It has about 2.5k stars on GitHub, and let's see what this one has. This repository basically has coding problems for us, as the name rightly suggests. So you can scroll down and check out that there are solutions as well. And if you scroll down further, we see that they have given the template of solutions. They have categorized problems like arrays, linked lists, trees, hashing. They have courses also. They have given learning resources also, like courses from Stanford University, Princeton University, UC San Diego. They have courses on Coursera. They have courses from edX as well. So this also is a very interesting and amazing resource and very helpful resource. So you can definitely check this one out. They've also given you the names of certain books that can really help you in learning Python, like Algorithms by Aditya Bhargav and so on and so forth. So this repository also can really help you out. All right. So the final repository for today's video is the Algorithms Python. It's by Subara Yudu J, and it has about 1.3k stars on GitHub. And if we scroll down, it has all about the algorithms, as the name suggests. Once again, this repository will tell you everything about the algorithms, like bubble sort, so merge sort, selection sort. Right. So as we scroll down, we can see here, like bubble sort. So they have told you what bubble sort is. They have told you the properties. They have given you the link to Wikipedia. They have given the link to watch it in action. So that's about this video. If you like the video, make sure to press like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you're interested in the Web3 space, you can check out this video I did with Vito Bella. That's about this video. Hope you enjoyed this one and got something out of it. And yeah, bye bye. Take care. See you. Have a good day. Bye.